friends, I hope you guys are all well. Do you remember last week when I was talking about that drink we could all use? That Mezcal Margarita that my friends from Homesy showed me how to whip up, because I'm sure after all of that plank here, we can all use one. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect Mezcal Margarita. Ingredients you'll need to spice up your life: 1.5 shots of your favorite Blanco tequila, a half shot of mezcal, 1 lime squeezed, 1 tablespoon of Cointreau, 1 teaspoon of agave nectar, 4 slices of jalapeno, 2 for garnish and 2 for mixing, and 2 tablespoons of salt and chili lime seasoning. So let's get busy. First, mix your salt and chili lime seasoning into a small mound. You'll be using this to dress up the rim of your glass for a little added splash of color and heat. Next, cut one of your juicy limes in half. The juicier, the better. Cut 2 wedges from one of the halves. Then, taking one of the lime wedges, rub it along the rim of the glass. Save the other for garnish. Now, take your glass and roll the edge of the glass in the chili salt mix. Next, add some ice to your glass. Then, combine all of your ingredients in the mixer and get to shaking. Finally, pour into glass and garnish with a lime wedge and remaining jalapeno slices. And voila! Excuse my French, it's more like "Ay tienes." That's how you make the perfect Mezcal Margarita. And right now, summertime, it could be the perfect cocktail you to have while you're at home or possibly outside socially distancing with friends. Because you know what? You deserve it. So I hope this helps. Stay safe and of course, stay wild.